Hey everyone, in this video lecture we will talk about Xbees and will show you how to enable communication between two Xbees.
This is the Xbee S2C module and it has 4 main pins VCC, ground, TX and RX, and it also has an antenna over its surface. Since the S2C module is not breadboard friendly, we are going to use the USB adapter. It is called Xbee USB adapter and it has 20 pins. The Xbee is attached on the USB adapter in this way. And now it's all done. Attach the USB cable to the USB adapter in each of them. And now we are ready to move on the software part.
We start with communication between two Xbees. For that, you will need to install the latest XCTU software and connect the two Xbees using the Arduino cable to the computer. Let us find the software. Search on Google the install XCTU and click on the link. Go to the official website of XCTU and download the software. Select according to your choice and download the software. We have already downloaded the software and now we will open it. Connect the Xbees to the computer using the Arduino cable and click on the Discover button. Select the two ports and click Next and then Finish and add selected device. Click on any one of the ports. Update your firmware of the Xbee module to the latest software. We have already selected the Zigbee TH-REG and 4016 newest model. Click on 4016 newest and click on update. Now you must have the same ID PAN for both the networks and find the term AP and enable the AP. The AP has been enabled as 1 and find the node identifier which is also written as NI. You can write it as coordinator and click on write. Since I have already committed changes to my Zigbee module, there are no changes to be written to. Click on router and do the same procedure. The ID PAN should be same as 1001 and this time the CE for this router should be disabled. The AP should be enabled 1 and click on write. This shall apply the changes to the respective Zigbee modules. Switch to console and click on this plus sign. Add a frame. Select the protocol Zigbee and frame type as transmit request. But before doing this, you must copy the MAC address of the router. Again click on plus, create frame, Zigbee as protocol and frame type as transmit request and paste the MAC address. You can type a message here that is to be transmitted to the router. This is from coordinator. And click on add frame. Do the same for the router. Click on plus, create frame, select Xbees as a protocol and transmit request as a frame type. But again, before doing this, you must copy the address of the coordinator. For doing this, double click on the coordinator, copy MAC address. Again, click on plus, create frame using frame generator. Protocol should be Zigbee and frame time should be transmit request. Paste the MAC address of the coordinator into the 64-bit address of the router. Type a message here that is to be transmitted to the coordinator. This is from router and add frame. Now close the connections by clicking on this button and click on send selected frame. This will show you that a message has been transmitted, and click on the transmit status to know the status of the message. If the transmission is successful, you must see a success status. And since a message has been transmitted, this transmitted message should be received on the Zigbee router. Click on the router and you will see the message. The message is this is from coordinator. Similarly, if you try to send any message from the router, you can click on send selected frame and you will see this transmission status. You must again see a success status. Click on coordinator and open the packet, receive packet. You must see a message, this is from router. And hence you have successfully enabled communication between the two Zigbees using the XCTU software. The work has been done and you can close the software.
The link to download the XCTU software is given in the description of the video. For any further queries, comment in the comment sections below. Thank you.